stampin.com. Today I wanted to share one of my favorite kits with you. I actually really love card making kits. They are easy just to take on the go with you for retreats. We do those 2 or 3 times a year and it just makes things easy. The Lots of Happy card kit is really awesome. It has watercolor pencils that are included. So the only thing that I actually added that wasn't in the kit is one of the Stampin' Up! Aqua painters, but just having a paintbrush that you just dab in water to blend the colors would be fine too. So anything that's like that would be awesome. But I do have to say I love the aqua painters. They have a barrel that fills with water. They have a fine tip and a regular tip on them. And so it has a little brush on the end and the water just feeds through and you can just store it up like this. So pretty awesome to have. It's on page 9 of the yearly idea book and catalog. That's the big one that comes out every year in June. So if you get a chance, take a look at it. And so I'm going to show you the things that come in the kit. And then I also pre-made one of each card from the kit that I wanted to share with you so you could actually see the finished projects and kind of what those look like. The envelopes are decorated too, so really lovely. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the super cute decorated box that the card kit comes in. It's called Lots of Happy. I'm going to set the finished cards aside because I do want to show you what actually comes in the kit. So the extra product that I told you that I did use was the aqua painter, which is sitting right here. It does come with a basic black Stampin' spot. But that's what comes in the box. It comes with a stack of dimensionals. It does come with a clear block, so if you don't have a set of Stampin' Up! Blocks, this actually makes the kit all-inclusive, so you really don't need anything. It has some of the lemon lime twist ribbon. Super fun. It's almost like an ombre. And then has the instruction sheet, which is right here. And always on the instruction sheet, it actually tells you what the kit includes. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to put the cards together and whatnot, and gives you a picture of the finished cards. So it makes the card making super easy. I do truly love this stamp set. Besides the fact that they fit on a lot of different shapes and are fun to color, there's just some wonderful sentiments. So one is sending you lots and lots of happy. The other is, here's to the happiest birthday yet. Here's one that says, you deserve the best life has to offer. And also one for, thank you for being a friend. And one that says, I'm always here for you. So really versatile and just really pretty fonts and lovely as focal points. So in the kit, you're going to have all of your card bases. So you've got some die cut elements, which are for the sentiments, and that'll go along with each one that you're doing. You actually have some vellum leaves, which kind of fit in the background. There are gold foil embellishments here. Here are some focal background pieces. There's watercolor pencils, 2 shades in the pink, and then there are 2 shades of the green, a lighter and a darker, and that's for doing some of the shadowing effect, and I'll show you kind of what I did with that on my cards. Then there are some background die cut papers with that nice black and white bold stripe, and then these are the actual focal points for the cards. They are die cut, and then obviously they're meant to be colored with the pencils, and then like I said, I actually chose to do the aqua painter with them. You can just use the pencils alone, or you can use a paintbrush, just a really inexpensive paintbrush that you have laying around at home, one of the fine tip ones, and it would work great. So those are the elements that actually come in the kit. Now I'm going to show you some of the finished cards that I made with the kit. Close that up, set that aside. Here's the finished cards. This is the mini. Has the background black and white little focal piece, has the colored focal on it, a little gold stripe, and then this is popped up with the dimensionals in there. And honestly, you can just play because it's that way in a kit. If you like to follow the instructions and do it step by step, you can do that. If you want to go rogue and have a little fun, you can do that. So there's no limits, just have some fun. The next size up is this one. I actually did a little bending up. I love how this layers on here, and I've got the leaves here in the background, and then it's just put down. I did cut the ribbon apart. I think they had it looped in the instructions. And then I did bend them up a little bit. And it says, here's to the happiest birthday yet. And that's that. This is for thank you for being a friend. And this is that one that was this excited that I loved. Still has the vellum leaves behind it, the gold, the ombre lemon lime twist ribbon, the colored background, and then the inside for the sentiment and the matching envelope here. And then here's the I'm always here for you. 2 sets of vellum ribbon on each side. And then there's some coloring. What I do when I color, and I'm not an expert at this, I love to color. I just find that I always have. And so I always start with the lightest color and I fill it in, and I go back in and I add some shading with the green, knowing that with something like an aqua painter or water on a paintbrush, I can just pull that color around where I want it to be and smooth out any lines. So just remember that when you're making up cards like that. And then this is the other one, You Deserve the Best Life Has to Offer. It's got the vellum leaves, the focal point flowers, a little bit of the black in the background, and all of the sentiments are popped up with dimensionals, and there's plenty of the ombre ribbon too. And I don't know if you're a crafter and you have it at home already, there is the gold metallic thread that would look awesome, kind of tangled up behind. There's just so many things that you can do and play if you have the elements at home, but if not, the kit stands amazing on its own, which I love. So hopefully this helps somebody make a decision on the kit and gives you some ideas on what a finished card would look like. And that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy creating.